Hello vlog. So I feel like it's been a minute since I picked up a camera and talked with you guys, but today we got something quite exciting that I'm gonna be doing, and so I thought I'll bring you along. Long story short, I'm gonna pop on the tube and go to Hammersmith, and I'm gonna have a browse at Ikea, Primark, Poundland, what else, TK Maxx, like any of the shops that I can find there. Really, I'm looking for home decor. There's still a couple bits that I need to get from Ikea for the flat. I'm looking for some essentials like, you know, laundry detergent, all that kind of stuff. And then I would love to find some Christmas bits, so either gifts or like things for the house, because if there's something I learned in my 5 years living in London, it's that if you see something for Christmas that you like, you need to get it straight away, girl. You need to get it straight away, because otherwise it's gonna be sold out. And so yeah, we're not gonna go on that route today. But yeah, let me show you my fit and then we'll go. Okay, so this is my OOTD. This shirt is a basic from Primark. I love the fact that it's cropped. And I'm wearing these Nike set. I am obsessed with the color of this set. It's so like autumnal. I love it. Also, pro tip, if you're shorter and on the smaller size, you can actually get a tracksuit from the Nike Young section, and that's gonna be so much cheaper. I literally paid for this little set, so the hoodie and the pants, only like 60 bucks, and my boyfriend paid like 90 for his, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed with it. This is a Young XL, which fits me like a perfect S, and so there you have it. This is the final look. Not gonna lie, I'm quite happy with my choice. I mean, I could have gone with something more preppy like this one, which is a new thing that I got from Ollie, so I'm obsessed with it. But let's be honest, I'll be walking a lot and I'll be carrying a lot of stuff as well if everything goes according to plan. And so I thought a comfy fit was a good move. Also, very quick before we head out, I'm not sure if you guys can see that on camera, but I have a massive zit on my face just here, and I put one of those little patches. I got these ones from Savers, and if you live in the UK you need to get them. They're only £1, but they do the job. Like, I put 2 of these on last night and they did their magic, I'm telling ya. I think I'm gonna take this book to read on the tube. Oh my god, look at these trees. I love fall. Also, why is the sky so pretty today? Toxic decisions, temptation crept in, it didn't take much convincing. I'm not sure what love is, but I know what it isn't. Begging me to listen, say you learned So I made it to Hammersmith. I'm going to the shops in just a second, but I had a quick stop at Caffè Renata because I'm obsessed with these. Like literally ever since I went to Portugal, I love Caffè Renata, so cheers. So good. Oh my god, this guy is so cute. There's so much Christmassy stuff. Like, it's so extra, but I love it. Literally 3 hours smelling candle. I kid you not, I'm so tempted to get this one. Like, it smells so good. Okay, I decided I'm gonna check out Primark and then we might come back to TK Maxx. I gave up and got a basket. Oh my god, look at this guy. I want to do stockings for me and my boyfriend this year, and I think the Joy one looks so good. I mean, I need to get it. Part of me also wants to get this guy. They literally got so much stuff. I feel like this thing will be adorable as a little Christmas gift. Okay, I love these guys, but I want to get a real Christmas tree this year. But not gonna lie, these are very cute. Bet Taylor Swift will be proud. Okay, so let's try this on. So this is one of the reasons why I came here. I wanted to get some thermal shirt, and I quite love this one. I got a couple more that I need to try, but I think I'm gonna get this in both black and white. I need to find a PJ, and I thought we succeeded as soon as I put the top on, but the bottom, not a big fan. This material though is so soft. Really wish I could find the bottom part of this PJ, but I can't see it anywhere, so yeah, we're not getting it. and we got the goods. So next up we're gonna get into Ikea. Never been to Ikea for Christmas. They actually have quite a few Christmas bits. These might be good for Upland. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Looks so cute. Two of the things that I was looking for are not here. I checked online, they're out of stock, so I think I'm gonna accept the loss and go to the checkout. So I just went through my basket and feel quite positive about what I'm getting. If you thought that okay, so it's a couple of hours later. The last thing you guys saw was me getting some Ikea meatballs, and I kid you not, they were so good. I also ended up taking some to go for my boyfriend, but yeah, I've been home for a couple of hours. So I did a bit of a house pickup because I kid you not, this flat needed it so bad. And before I find a place to do the new bits that I got, I thought I'll share everything with you guys. So let's just do it. I think I'm gonna follow the order of the shops that I got into. So the first one is Poundland. I've tried to vlog me going to the different shops, but I could you know, one, it was so loud in every single shop, and so I feel like even if I did vlog a bit more, you probably were not able to hear me, and two, I forgot how awkward it is to vlog in public. Like, I could you not, the stairs that I've got, the two bits that I got in Poundland are these little hairdressing kits. Do I need this? No, but for £1 I thought I'd get it. And then the second thing I got is this little coin. I'm probably gonna put this in my boyfriend's stocking, so if he sees this video I'll get a little spoiler, but oh well. I did go to TK Maxx after because I did wanted to get a Christmas candle, but the one candle that I really liked wasn't Christmas related, and it was also fairly expensive, like 15 bucks, so I decided not to get it. I mean, I'll probably try to go to a different one and see if I can find something else, but that'll be for another day. So after TK Maxx I did go to Primark and actually got a couple of bits in there, so let me show you. The main reason why I wanted to go to Primark was to get these thermal layer shirts, and also wanted to get a PJ, but I could not find one that I liked, so I ended up getting only these ones. These were £7 each. I feel like they're gonna be so good for the winter time, so I got one in black and one in white. You guys saw me trying this on, so yeah, it's quite self-explanatory. Then I got these little sponge. My boyfriend's been needing one, so I got this for him. And then I got my first Christmas item, which is this Joy stocking. I'm obsessed with it. I think I did mention this in a vlog, but I want to do stockings for me and my boyfriend this year. So I got this little one, and then I need to find another one that I like so we can have one each, but yeah, I'm quite obsessed with these. And then to keep the Christmas spirit going, I also got another little desk. I mean, how cute is this one? I'm obsessed. I could you know, I think it's so cute. So that's everything that I got in Primark. Now let's move on to the Ikea bit. I found this little Christmas tree and I had to get it because I think it's so cute. I mentioned this I think, but I want to get a real Christmas tree this year because I've never done that, and this is the first time that I have a proper flat that it's only me. I share it with one other person, and so I can do pretty much what I want to the flat, and getting a real Christmas tree feels like a treat. But we haven't got a real one yet, and I couldn't resist by getting this small one, so yeah, I think it's super cute. It was only £3 as well. Then some other Christmassy bit that I got are these mini gingerbread houses. I thought me and my boyfriend could have a little contest around Christmas time, and these are gonna be perfect for that. And of course, to go along with that, I also got these decor kits and these baking glue. So I could you know, I'm so excited to do this. I'm probably gonna do a little video as well, so do stay tuned for that. And some other little bits that I got are this milk frother. I had one in the past but it broke, but I'm obsessed with this thing, so I ended up getting another one. Then I also got these little roller thingy. I'm not even sure how to call them, but pretty sure everyone knows what this is. Then next up I got this thing for the plates. I'm not sure if we're gonna end up using it or no, but it was £3, so I thought I'd get it, give it a go, and if it doesn't fit, I'll just return it. Then I got this little basket. This one is gonna be quite cute for the new plant we've got. It's this one right here. I will show you guys at the very end. This is how it looks like. It's one of those baskets that you can open. Oh, there we go. It barely fits the frame, but I think it's super cute. I mean, did I spend like 15 minutes looking through all of them to decide which one looked more perfect? Yes, I did. Do I regret it? No. Okay, next up, I did not plan to get this. I didn't want to get this, and then saw this little corner in Ikea and I thought it looked super cute, and so long story short, I got this fake faux carpet. Just bear with me, okay? I have a picture. I think it's gonna look dope. I don't know what my boyfriend's gonna think about it, but it's in their house now, so I guess it's too late. Okay, so that's everything that I got today. I'm gonna go around the flat and put everything in place, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like before wrapping up this video. Okay, so here we go. I'm obsessed with the double layering of this carpet. Also, this is the perfect vase. I mean, it just looks so good with the plant. I put a little tree here for now, but I'm not sure if this is its final spot. Also, how cute is my little composition? I got it like 2 weeks ago and it's still holding strong. I'm still not sure about where to put this guy, but I'm sure I'll find a spot eventually. Alright, so time to wrap up this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and you got some inspiration. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what video would you like to see next. I'm working on the flat tour. I still need to get a couple of bits to finish everything up. I feel like we're getting very close, so do stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Believe me, you do not want to miss that one. Yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I know it's only November, but I can't be the only one excited for Christmas.
I've never been this close to anyone, and I have never